Lenkonzo yomshado ibanjwa kathathu enyakeni kanti abashadikazi kufanele babe amalungu ebandla.
This event, we hold it 3 times a year. Firstly, it's during Easter and in September, which is our New Year, and also now during Christmas. So the significance of this event is that children of our Father, children of the kingdom, would be solemnizing their marriages. Their marriages will be blessed by the Comforter. Our marriages follow the same protocol of the Marriage Act. They would come to church, they would decide to get married, they will be registered as members, as the members will be getting married, and then from there they will be expected to go to Home Affairs to register their marriages, and they will come back, and then a process of marriage counseling would then ensue.
Le mshado ifana nayo yonke imishado egunyaziwe kanti abashadikazi babonelelwa ngokululekwa ngokwengqondo ngaphambi kokuba babophe ifindo likaSofa Silahlane.
We've established a team of psychologists, psychiatrists, professionals of all spheres, doctors, they will be there, social workers, they will be taking them over a period of 3 weeks, taking them through counseling so that they can be able to sustain their marriages going forward.
Amalungu ebandla athi lena yindlela enhle yokuvala unyaka ehlanganisa nemindeni. Lenkonzo enkulu yomshado ebandleni iIPHC yasungulwa eminyakeni engaphezu kwama-60 eyedlule kanti kuvumelekile ukuba amalungu asevele seshadile aphinde athathe futhi njengoba isithembu sivumelekile ebandleni.